Well, hi everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. We've got a number of scattered showers this morning, a little bit of lightning and thunder embedded within some of this activity. As the day wears on, the chances will start to get lower and lower and lower here. By the end of the afternoon, we're down to just a small chance, mainly over southeastern areas. A little sun's going to try to come out here, but most of us will not see too much sun today. A bit of a breeze out of the north. That's drawing in some cooler air. It's going to be a very, very cool day out there for today. The coolest we'll see for a while. Tonight, one more chance of rain across northern Kansas and possibly southern Nebraska. Otherwise, generally trying to clear things out tonight, and that will be a continued trend into tomorrow. More sunshine on your Tuesday. And with high pressure over the area, you can see that clockwise spin. High pressure usually means lighter winds, and that'll be the case with this high pressure here. The winds will be fairly light tomorrow. Tomorrow night, mostly clear. There will be some low clouds that come in late on the backside of that high. Across southwest Nebraska, some clouds will try to build into the area during the day on Wednesday. We're also going to see a return to southerly winds starting to pick up Wednesday and Thursday here. Temperatures today only topping out in the mid to upper 50s. Average high is about 70, so we're going to be below average for today. Tonight, before we get to tonight, let's look at today's forecast around the area. And again, it's mostly about 54 to 60 in most locations. Again, still some showers around, but the chances of rain again will get lower and lower and lower as the day wears on. But just, a very cool day out there for today. I'll back this up a little bit just to show you the Mankato area for those that live in that area in northern Kansas. Mostly mid-50s here in the southeast. Northeastern areas mid to upper 50s. In fact, maybe even closer to 60 in far northeast Nebraska. A little more sun possible here today to help warm things up there. So there's a look at the big picture across the area. Let's take a look at tonight's lows down into the upper 30s, low to mid 40s. Not concerned about frost. Maybe the northern panhandle, but it's a little more typical to see frost this time of the year in the northern panhandle. Our average first frost is usually in late September, early to mid-October, and first happens in northwest Nebraska and then extends southeastward as October goes along. So not really concerned about it tonight for our area anyway. Tomorrow, a little bit warmer than today, mid to upper 60s. A very pleasant day. Light winds, lots of sunshine, back up into the mid and upper 60s for your Tuesday. Tuesday night, low to mid 40s for lows, so not as many of those 30s. So again, no concerns for frost or freezing temperatures. Wednesday, mid to upper 60s and maybe some low 70s depending on the amount of sun you get here. Starting to see those return winds start to warm things up way out west here. Those warmer temperatures will eventually spread eastward as we get towards the end of the week here. You can see the lows are going to be warmer. Wednesday night to Thursday morning, upper 40s, low to mid 50s. Highs on Thursday back up into the 70s, mostly mid and upper 70s, maybe nearing 80 in spots. So we are going to trend warmer as the week goes on. And our chances of rain are pretty small. I included a small chance, beyond today I should say, I included a small chance on Thursday. Did not Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are some long-range models hinting at something, but I'm not confident enough right now to include those chances here. And I think because of that, we'll trend a little bit warmer as we get towards the end of the week and the upcoming weekend. And then next week, we'll watch for maybe a better chance of moisture and our next cool down to come in early next week around the Monday, Tuesday time frame, right, kind of right in there. Looking at North Platte, not a lot of differences between North Platte and the Tri-Cities. Some of the days of more wind will be a little bit different there. But rain moving out this morning. I did not include any other rain chances in the forecast the rest of this week or this weekend. We'll see. Otherwise, we gradually warm things back up. And it's not just the highs, it's the lows, which means, again, we will not have to worry about frost or sub-freezing conditions anytime soon. So again, warming up at the end of this week. Excuse me. And then we cool back down early next week as we see rain chances and maybe some thunderstorms try to make their return to the area. In fact, the Climate Prediction Center is actually keeping much of our area in the above average category next week. So I think after that brief cool down early in the week, we do warm back up once again. This is a very classic setup of a trough out west and a huge ridge to the east here. And what this can usually mean is storm systems dig into the southwest and come through here, and depending on how close that jet stream is to us, could potentially maybe bring chances of some strong to severe storms down the road here, or at least a decently strong system coming in here. In fact, the Climate Prediction Center also predicting above average precipitation right in here near that jet, and then behind that jet, drier off to the southwest near the Gulf Coast here. So with that, I am going to let you all go for today. I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll be back with you on Tuesday with all the latest. Take care and God bless. Bye.